guys, so in today's video I'm going to be taste testing some Halloween candy that I found at the Dollar Tree yesterday. So if you know me, you know I love the Dollar Tree and many things from there before. I've never had a problem with any type of the candy or the food. So when I seen these, I knew that I had to make a video. Found was by Kool-Aid, and it's the Kool-Aid popping candy. I actually tried the Capri Suns by this. So I like this one. Gummies, baby bottle pop, like suckers. I'm eating baby bottle pops all the time, so I thought these were really cool. And they come with a sucker and like a little pouch. So the first one I'm gonna open, Trolley Sour Bats, Cats, and Rats. I won't open one. This must be like a rat or something. It does not say the flavor. Oh, cherry, lemon, strawberry, grape, and orange. Looks like this. This one must be the lime one. And they're really, really good. So, these are from Trolley to be $1. These are really good. The Sour Bright Candy Corn. So, from Walmart because they are the Brock's brand, and they smell really good. I don't think it's gonna focus. Let's see. They're all pretty different colors. This one looks really good. So first with these, at first you think they're like sour, but they're really sweet. Oh yeah, they're like sour when you first bite into them, but as they like go down and you chew on them a little bit longer, they are a little bit sweet. I don't know if I would repurchase these. Pops or lollipops. If you grew up in the 90s, then you know what a baby bottle pop is. Oh cool, okay. Four's in there, which is a really good deal. Looks like this. So you can just take the top off. Ooh, the sucker. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I didn't even know it was an actual bottle. Okay. The sucker by itself actually tastes like the baby bottle pop sucker. Okay, let me get some. And there is the powder. There is actually a lot down in here. This little guy is so good. I would probably rate this one my favorite so far just because of how cute he is. And the flavors are really, really good. He's probably like an 8 just because it does remind me of my childhood. Last but not least, something that I've been waiting for. I've been looking forward for a few months after I've seen everybody on Instagram hauling them. And it is the Kool-Aid popping candy. And yeah, this flavor is Scary Berry. It's like a cool name for Halloween. Scary Berry. It reminds me of like playing cards. So. Oh, those are really good. There's a lot of flavor in these that you would not expect from something, because I love the Dollar Tree, but you would think like their candy wouldn't be as flavorful, and it's doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. Really recommend these. These are so good. The flavor is awesome in these, and the fact that you get like 3 packs you can share really wouldn't matter. But these are super good. I would recommend it. To rate all of the candy that I got at the Dollar Tree, the first one I would probably give like a 1 to would probably be the baby bottle pop ones, and then second would be the Bats, Cats, and Rats gummies from Trolley would be third. I love these, but I think these are my favorite. So the one that I would not probably repurchase was candy corn, just because when they sour gummy, but it actually kind of reminds me of Sour Patch Kid in a way, even though the colors are super. The baby bottle popcorn, or the popping candy, or the Bats, Cats, and Rats, give them a try. I really like them, especially if you like gummies. You will really like these. If you grew up in the 90s, then you will really enjoyed this little taste test. If you want to see more taste tests from me, comment down below what you want to see from me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.